Linda is going to attempt to use the old phone. You've got to get a dial tone first.
A what?
A dial tone. It goes, dun. So you'd have to pick up the receiver, and you'd have to listen for it to go, dun.
Okay.
And then you have to keep it up, and now you dialed the number. You do it all the way until you hit that little finger stopper.
This thing?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I doing this right?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Now you understand why Papa has such a hard time? We're used to things that go,
I don't understand this. This is so much easier. You just go,
hey Siri, call Grandma.
hey Siri, call Mom.
Okay. Check out this phone here.
Just to confirm,
Hey Siri, call Mommy.
calling mommy, pulsating hard.
No, pulsating hard. Okay, here, video. Look at video this. This is the phone where, listen.
Oh, sorry. We were kind of in the middle of filming a video, and I was using one of these weird spinny
It's called a
thingies.
rotary dial phone.
Oh, a rotary dial phone. I call it a spinny thingy. And I told Grandma that it was so much easier just to say, hey Siri, call Mommy. So
Okay.
now I'm on the phone with you.
We love you. Talk to you later.
Love you, bye.
Okay.
Bye,
All right.
guys.
Bye, honey.
Oh.
Okay, here. Hold on to this.
Okay.
Okay, now this is. Come here. If you weren't really rich, this. You know where our trash? You know where I feed Homer at?
Yeah.
There used to be actual. Whenever you really got fancy, this was what you'd do, and you'd have a real long one of these, and you'd lay on. Look, this is the same as that. It's just not as pretty. Come here, look. And you were stuck like this. Look at this.
So you couldn't like walk around the house and like go lay on your bed and all that stuff?
No. And you know that little part in the hallway?
Yeah.
One of those would sit there. Now, before I was even born, this one right here, you would do this, and then you would talk to the local operator. Hey, Maybelline. And then you would wait, and they would eventually let you get through. It could take 100 years to 50 years.
Oh.
Okay. Oh.